I am Adrian Vega and this is Divisa. This is a new utility device that allows you to create new and old card magic tricks using this new method. Imagine a card to wallet with the wallet in full view from the beginning and with no palming at all. Imagine being able to steal and add any card from a shuffled deck of cards. Using this organic tool, you are going to create all this card magic from a normal deck of cards, of course, starting and finish completely clean. You will receive all the gimmicks to make this with a blue and red deck of cards, and of course, any currency is possible. So let's Divisa do all the work for you. Like this, you can focus in your magic and your creativity.